Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by checking storage metrics so you know what to remove first. Open Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Look for large categories and individual apps. Once you identify heavy items, offload unused apps or delete videos and duplicates to reclaim immediate space. Make sure to back up to iCloud or a computer first. This preserves data if you remove something needed. Doing this now avoids interruptions later and prepares your device for the update process without delay. Continue by targeting media and cache because these free the most room quickly. Transfer photos and videos to a computer or cloud, then clear message attachments and app caches. You can offload apps instead of fully deleting them. Once done, verify you have at least 6 GB free. Some updates unpack into temporary space. Make sure the device is on Wi-Fi and charging or above 50% battery. These steps let the update download and prepare without failing mid-process. Now run the update. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and tap Install. If it won't download or says insufficient storage, restart the iPhone and retry. Sometimes temporary files clear on reboot. If problems persist, connect to a Mac or PC and update via Finder or iTunes. That offloads work to the computer. One key troubleshooting tip: if the installer repeatedly fails, restore from your backup after a clean restore. This resolves stubborn storage or software conflicts without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.